This is the current situation in Norman, Oklahoma. This is some of the heaviest snow I've ever seen. Now, granted, I haven't seen that much snow because I'm from the Gulf Coast, but still. It is coming down. And this is on top of what we got with the near blizzard the other day. This is just insane. All the roads are covered. People are getting stuck all over campus. It's just, it is unbelievable. It's so peaceful though. Over here on the Bank of America building, look at the icicles. Is this Oklahoma or the Arctic Circle? Like what is going on here? Craziness. I don't think icicles are supposed to be this long. No, I'm just kidding. I saw the video. I can't do that. I'll get the disease. Alright, we're in downtown Norman. And, well, shockingly enough, there's snow here. Oh, yeah. It's crazy. Going on? Did hell freeze over? What in the giant pile of snow is that? Oh my gravy. Look how pretty. It's so pretty. So pretty. Downtown Norman. I love the sound that snow makes. It's so peaceful. It is coming down though. We got this band set up from Lawton up through Norman in the metro, and it is just dumping snow on us. It's no joke either. Crap's deep. Like, I ain't never seen this much snow. I know I've said that 555,000 times, but I'm serious. I've never seen anything like this. Look at Calvin. Yeah, my truck's name's Calvin. Deal with it. I really don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm accomplishing by being out here in the middle of a snowstorm, but it's kind of fun, so I'm gonna keep doing it. So far, I haven't gotten stuck. Knock on wood. Yeah, crazy stuff happening right now. Absolutely insane Arctic blasts across basically the southern half of the United States. Texas is still experiencing rolling blackouts. Insane. It's cold. That's all I have to say. It's really cold. But it's kind of pretty. Why am I just not, like, okay. It's really peaceful though. This is the first time I've ever really like vlogged or whatever you want to call it. So I don't really know what to say or what I'm doing, but I'm kind of learning. But just enjoy this footage of me like sitting here like a little kid watching it snow in downtown Norman. Here comes a car. Hey car, don't get stuck. I got my eye. I like it though. It may be cold as frick, but I like it. Would I want to live in a place that had this constantly for 3 months? No. But I mean, it's nice to see something you've never seen before, I guess. But after this, I've had enough. I'm ready for tornadoes. So let's wrap this up, Mother Nature. I'm tired of this. Bring me the warmth. I'm placing an order right now. Oh, there's another car. People getting a little testy tonight, seeing if they can go out in all this snow. I've already had to push 2 cars out of the snow tonight. Oh, here's another one. People really pushing their luck. Alright, that's enough. Let's go somewhere else. Alright, we're going somewhere else. Peace out. I just had to show y'all these bushes. Look at the bushes. Okay, the light's green, but look at the bushes. So, there, my friends, is the Chili's of Norman. That yesterday, that is where Reed Timmer locked his keys in his car, and me and my friends came to the rescue. Well, not really. He called a lock company, but we just came there and talked to him while he was locked out of his car because he locked his keys in his car. I don't really understand how that happened, but he kind of did it. But anyway, that's where the magic started, right there at that Chili's. Hi, welcome to Chili's. People gotta come and get their wings. It is 10:30 in the middle of a snowstorm, and Wingstop is open for business. Props to you, Wingstop. Yes. What is that? Does that say 60-cent wings? Do you want to get 60-cent wings? Oh my god. So this is Legacy Park in Norman, right off 24th Avenue. And I walk this way, I already tried it once, but this snow is easily over 2 feet deep in some parts, like right here. There's a whole snowdrift, and it's like half of me, and I'm tall. But I'm gonna go over here and show you guys something absolutely insane. This is like a pond. This is a pond. And those are fountains. This is insane. Absolutely insane. I've never seen anything like this before. Oh my goodness. And I think I'm getting frostbite, so I'm about to go back to the truck, but this is crazy. Okay, going back to the truck. That used to be the fountain. It's completely frozen. And these are supposed to be stairs. And I just walked through that. And now my pants are wet. And now I'm cold. And this right here is Walker Tower at OU campus. This is where I live, actually. So, I don't even know what to say. We've pushed, I can't even count how many cars we've pushed out of being stuck tonight. But campus, this is a winter wonderland right now, honestly. It's crazy stuff, guys. I just pulled up to Traditions Apartments on the OU campus, or Trads for short, because us cool kids like to call it Trads. Actually, I think that makes us lame, but whatever. I have no words. There's so much snow. And also, whoever drives this car right here, you stole my spot, so I'm not very happy about that. But this is going to be the last clip for tonight. Look at the icicles hanging from the light. That's crazy. But this is going to be the last video for tonight. And then tomorrow, hopefully after the snow stops falling, I will be able to get out and get some good pictures, some good video of what it looks like after in the daylight. But yeah, in the meantime, heavy snow in Norman, heavy snow for all of central and southern Oklahoma, really, on top of the crazy totals we got on Sunday and Monday. So yeah, signing off for the night. Gonna go try to get some sleep. Been helping a bunch of people who got stuck. And I will see you guys in the morning. Good night, pals. So it's the next day. I'm out here at the OU duck pond just to take some pictures, take some videos. Let's look at the snow. Bunch of snow. So I'm gonna come over here and see and like get a better look at the pond because it's completely frozen. I don't know what they'd be laughing at. Well, this is it right here. This is the pond. And it is completely covered in ice. What the heck? Should I walk on it? That was cold. I just fell and stuck my hand in the snow and now it's cold. Look at this. Wow. Well, call me stupid or whatever, but I just walked across the pond and that's the first. I've never walked across ice that's not supposed to be there before. So look at the goosies. It's a pretty day. So I have arrived at Lake Stanley Draper and that's it. It's frozen. So we're gonna walk down there. We're gonna see what it looks like. Also, it's snowing again. Look. Aren't they so pretty? But yeah, we're gonna walk down there and we're gonna see what it looks like. So here's the dock of Lake Stanley Draper in Minnesota. Just kidding, this is Oklahoma. Oklahoma, guys. Excuse me. I feel like I'm looking at Lake Superior or something. It's frozen. It's all covered in ice. The whole thing. And on top of the ice is a layer of snow from last night's storm. This is crazy. And it's still cold as heck. I feel like I'm getting frostbite right now. Pretty wild. It's hard to breathe too. But yeah. So I'm gonna go back to the warm of my truck because I'm shivering and I'm cold. But yeah, this was pretty cool. This whole storm was really cool. So I think this is where I'm gonna end my video, and I'll be here in Oklahoma for the spring, so we'll see what the spring has to offer. But yeah, thanks for watching. Peace out.